Okay, I think we are live. So one thing is that we can share this thing. Let's share this. So, here it is. Sharing option. And I can just go to this. And yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay, so when is the inequality module starting?
So the inequality model will be starting from the next week,
Okay.
and we are planning. We have already developed the whole curriculum how it will be proceeding. So it will take about 5 to 6 lectures to complete the whole series.
I see Pradyumna is online, which is quite
Hi.
nice. Hello Pradyumna.
Hello.
Pradyumna is our existing student.
Yes.
So, is our voice audible? Can you hear me, Pradyumna? Are you able to hear me? If you can, if anyone can hear us, please let us know. We're not sure if the audio quality is
Okay. So they can hear us.
Yeah, they can hear us. That's good. So, I see 5 people are online. Yeah. And so this is a little bit of introduction about the inequality module, level 2 module that will be starting this week from Sunday.
Yes.
So we will be giving out the time and everything. So this particular module is useful for both I.S.I and CMI entrance as well as the mathematics Olympiad. Right. So especially for regional math Olympiad.
RMO and for the things.
Even for pre-RMO.
Yeah, pre-RMO, RMO, and a little bit of for INMO also.
Yes. So the best book that I have faced in inequality was a little book by Little Mathematical Library. So
What's the name?
Little Mathematical Library. So this is a sequence of books on mathematics, and these books are like this thin, and they were published by Soviet Union, and the cover of the book was green, and this was on inequality, and I remember that it had this beautiful proof of arithmetic and geometric mean inequality, and they used what did they use? They used very elementary technique, like not even squaring. What they said is that positive times positive is positive. By using this little axiom, they could create the entire. I see Keshav is online.
Hi. So actually, we can do in the class what you're suggesting in your grade.
Yeah.
So,
But like, which book are you planning to use?
So I'm planning to use as Ashwini Dashgupta has said that the main actual basic inequality that is required for the going to the higher part is x square is greater than or equal to 0. So this is the most basic inequality, and if you put in x place of x a minus b, you will get the arithmetic mean a and gn for the two variables, and then we can generalize it. So it's actually a basic thing. So that's beautiful, and we will do it in the class, obviously, from the scratch for all of you. And the book for that he has asked what we will follow in the class. I personally trained myself using pre-college mathematics, the challenge and thrills of pre-college mathematics, and the excursion mathematics by the Bhaskara publications.
Yes.
So as I have done, I will be doing these books, and if you know better books and you have done, then we can surely do problems and theory. But I think that it will not vary much because the syllabus is not so huge.
Right.
And regarding the syllabus, so for the preparation, we make a lot of mistakes, and I would love if you ask me some questions regarding that.
Yeah, if you have questions, you can like shoot it here as well, like in the chat regarding the inequality module. I see Ramesh is asking what is happening. Okay, Ramesh, this is a brief introduction to Cheenta's inequality module that is about to begin this week. So we are doing a little bit of screencast to communicate exactly what our plans are. There is a very beautiful book in inequalities called Secrets in Inequality. Yeah, there is like 3 volumes of the book, And I think that if someone uses that, I mean, it's a little bit harder than usual ones. But if someone uses that, then even at INMO or the IMO standard, they will be good. Yeah.
So
Okay.
we'll surely try it.
So are you planning to also use like geometric inequalities in your?
Yeah, so in my course, so the course consists of first part consists of the basic introductions, like which doesn't require any background except the algebraic manipulations and the arithmetic manipulations. So and also we will introduce like so the basic inequality, as you know that it's forming a triangle, and we all know, right?
Yeah.
So the basic inequality is triangle inequality. It's a geometric inequality. So geometry induces some inborn inequalities, and we will studying in the at the end of the course. The reason behind is that it requires some introductory geometric knowledge and trigonometric knowledge. So that's why we will do it at the end. So the basic requirement for this course is one is the just basic algebraic manipulations, and for the last part of the course, last lecture of the course that will include the geometric inequalities. It will require some basic geometric ideas, like the so another very beautiful geometric inequality is isoperimetric inequality. It tells that given a perimeter constant, the maximum area that is contained is that of a circle. Right. So that is like it's very intuitive. That's the reason why when you place a string on a water or some, if there is some tension, then it will take a form of a circle to reduce the whole tension because the area is maximum. And yeah, so that day so I went to Bangalore a few years back. So to attend the conference and that so we were in a swimming pool. Okay, so Shankhadeep Chakraborty was there. He was also so he was explaining that.
So this is about I'll tell my viewers that our viewers that Srijit and Shankhadeep went to Bangalore to attend a mathematics conference at ICTS.
Yeah.
And he is telling the experience.
And it's related to mathematics.
It's a mathematics.
And related to the inequality, isoperimetric inequality.
Okay, so the seminar was on that?
No. Seminar, so we were in a swimming pool and mathematics came up.
Oh, okay, obviously. Yeah.
So this is how mathematics came up. So we were in the pool and Shankhadeep was explaining. So he has done swimming training under Navy for some time.
So Shankhadeep Chakraborty is one of our administrators and one of our faculty admins.
Yeah.
He's doing a PhD in dynamical systems. He's one of the he's in IMPA Brazil. It's one of the best places for dynamical systems.
So Arthur Avila is from there.
Okay, so I let me answer some of the questions here. Then I'll come back to you, Srijit. So we have Chan is asking anything for free. Okay, no. This is in the Cheenta platform. So it's part of the Cheenta course.
Yes.
So you have to enroll for the course. Prasad is asking, will this be on YouTube or Cheenta platform? It will be on Cheenta platform, Prasad. So it is not on YouTube. And Ramesh is asking, I'm good in okay. How to maintain the momentum for solving inequality at the end of the problem? Okay, that's a very general question.
Yeah.
What about that? I mean, before we come back to it, Ramesh is asking something about the momentum of solving.
See, it's regarding momentum of solving any problem. So it's mainly requires patience, and I have told you an experience in my class only. So a lot of my students, few of my students are here. So that you have to stick to the problems. Okay. So otherwise, it's regarding any problem. And if you feel bored, it's natural. So when we feel bored in class doing a single problem, we move on to another problem, and later on we come back to the same problem. So just don't make it bored. Okay. Okay. So I hope. So anything specific, Ramesh? Knowledge index. Okay, Ramesh Mishra. Any tip for KVPI? Regarding inequalities, very basic inequalities are required. Arithmetic AMGM and Cauchy squares. That's it. Like if you are, so in this course we will be doing that portion only till. So the main inequalities we will focus on are one arithmetic AMGM inequality. The second is the Cauchy squares inequality, and third is the rearrangement inequality. And using this, there are a lot of Chebyshev's inequality and other stuffs will come up, but those are not required because they will be create more and more tools, and you will not know how to create the tools. Okay, so Ramesh, you are preparing for INMO.
Okay, so assuming that he has already prepared for.
Okay, so RMO is on 20th August, right? 20th is October, right?
Yeah.
So INMO has been like is in the next year, I think.
It's in January.
Yeah.
Okay, Prasad is asking how long.
Yeah, that's a good question. It will
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get this light actually.
Yeah. So 6 weeks of each class will of each lecture will be of 1.5 hours.
90 minutes as
90 minutes. Yeah. That's
So about that swimming pool thing, can you
yeah.
just tell us that?
So we were in the swimming pool and so Shankhadev asked that you know what is the most natural position for floating in the water? And it's like it's just exactly the same position that a baby remains in the womb of the mother.
Oh really? Okay.
And he asked, do you know that like what is the mathematics behind this? So it was like that when it's like the baby remains like this now. Its the reason is that baby is trying to reach the most spherical position so that the surface area maximizes and the buoyancy increases. So that's the like a biproduct isometric inequality for the third dimension.
So Ramesh is asking, will you be posting some parts of it in YouTube?
We can surely try.
We can try a little bit maybe, but not the main classes.
Yeah, the main classes will be only offered at Cheenta.
Yeah, that's true.
Module structure.
I mean, they're also online, but they're just not on YouTube.
Yeah, they're not on YouTube.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah.
So 6 classes, yeah, Prasad.
That's correct. 6 classes. So one more interesting part is this about this inequality business is that when I first encountered the topic of inequality, it sort of transitions into calculus. So, for example, if you want to know that what is the definition of limit, the very definition of limit in calculus that involves some amount of inequality, and especially triangular inequality in some form. So it's interesting how investigation of inequalities in algebraic inequalities could lead to the study of calculus and infinite sequences.
Yeah, we can surely discuss that, but that requires a bit of basic requirement knowledge.
It is true.
So yeah, so we may skip this, but surely we can discuss this.
I mean, it could be part of the calculus module.
Yeah, exactly. It is got a pre-calculus module that we will offer in December, I think.
Yeah. Okay, so when I solve inequalities under one section like an AKMGM, I get the answer easily, but it takes a lot of time to solve miscellaneous problems. Okay? Whether irritating, what shall I do?
Yeah.
That's a very general question again. I'll tell you one thing about solving problems. There was a book by Poker, I think. Or George Paul, yeah.
How to solve it.
Correct. So there was one thing that people often do while they're solving questions is they create specific examples. See the pattern. So this is a general problem-solving strategy. You can create an example, then you see a pattern, and then you try to generalize it.
Exactly.
So if you are not able to crack the problem, probably you have not constructed enough number of examples that depicts what's going on. So that's one.
So yeah, so to get the pattern, you need to have data, right?
Right.
So human mind captures the pattern by the data. So for the data, you need to have generalizations and degeneralizations. So we usually do. So it's an important point. So we're exactly doing this idea of how to solve problems with Geospolia for the past 2 months in our problem-solving sessions.
Oh really? Okay,
yeah.
That's great.
So yeah, Pradyuman or Ithro, they're here. So like they can surely So we have been doing this, like how to solve any problem how to attack any problem in general. We have some posts on this. Actually.
Oh, okay, that's great. You can check the website actually.
Yeah.
Oh, is it starting this Sunday?
It will be starting this Sunday.
Yeah. Starting this Sunday. So that's quite important. We'll be sending out an email.
Can you recommend a book for a true beginner 9-10 class? Yeah, sure. Pre-college challenge and thrills of pre-college. And excursion is a little bit hard, so you can start with pre-college. Yeah.
Also, if you were
other books
thinking about if you're thinking about inequality, I would strongly recommend the Little Mathematical Library, that book on inequality. It's I can just write it here actually. We cannot comment on any other organization, Ramesh. I mean, some of them must be very good, some of them might not be, so we cannot comment on that. Little Mathematical Library
For
Inequality.
KDPY, is tomato enough? I think it's more actually.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, a little bit more than, yeah. From the test of mathematics should be enough and more.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't need to do all of that. Pre-RMO standard problems, you can use them as a practice problem for. AMC problems or AME problems are also good practice problem for KDPY, but then, yeah. What is on Facebook?
I can share the.
Oh yeah, we can share this on Facebook, right? Correct. So yeah. So anyway, so the book on the Little Mathematical Library, that book is absolutely fantastic. And let me share the link of it if I have it. Just a second. Or it is actually available very easily in LibGen. Also, if you just search online, you will be able to find it. Just a moment. So, what is the cost? Okay, so you can apply in Cheenta's website, Ramesh, and the costs differ from different countries, so don't want to diverge that here. But you can apply in Cheenta's website, and that will have all the information. We'll be getting back to you on with all the information.
Yeah.
So coming back to this minimum isoperimetric inequality thing, perimeter and area, these are extremely interesting and intertwined ideas. So whenever you have a closed zone, let's say, suppose if you draw a closed loop on a surface, it is often important to understand what is the relation between the length of the perimeter and the length of the area enclosed by the perimeter. Now, in Euclidean plane, this relationship is quadratic.
Yes.
Isn't it? So, whatever the perimeter is, the area enclosed is almost square of that. I mean, there are some constant factors here and there. But if the plane is bumpy, that is a technical term for it is hyperbolic, then area and perimeter are linearly related.
Seriously?
Yeah, it is.
That's really.
And it is one of the defining characters of the hyperbolic surface.
Yes.
That if you, so maybe I can just put it here. Yeah. And I am not even sure if this two can be done simultaneously. But let me just put it here. So yeah, coming back to what we were saying. Apart from Little Mathematical Library and Excursion and Challenges and Thrills and what is the other book that you said? I said Secrets in Inequalities. These are 4 books which could be useful, but as the module that Srijit is conducting, that may not be that might not include all these 4 books. I think he will be following only
Excursions and
Excursion and pre-college. Yeah, those are the main 2 books, because there's a level 2 module. There is a level 3. There will be a level 3 module for inequality as well, and that will contain more advanced
for
notes.
the IN1.
Yes. Correct. So inequality is very interesting, and you should definitely. No, we don't. We are not trying even that. You have to take time to learn something nice. Yeah, but
so we will complete it by the middle of November.
Yeah,
that's all.
And there are a couple of other things also starting very soon.
Yeah. Calculus will be starting in December.
Yeah.
And after that, we all number theory, small module coming on, geometry modules coming on.
Geometry, number theory,
complex number modules coming
complex
on.
Number is coming up. Complex numbers and inequality also have very interesting relationship, which we can be exploring in. We could be exploring in the complex number module. These topics are all over.
Also, the algebra module, polynomial module is coming up.
Polynomial module is coming up, right? Okay, so but that's about it. And for now, I think that's all.
Yeah,
And,
so if you have any questions, you can drop here or
you can drop it in the comment section,
Yeah.
or you could drop it in our website cheenta.com. There is 24/7 support module for that, so you can use that as well.
Okay.
After AOPS, okay.
Thank you so
Ramesh.
much.
AOPS is doing fantastic
Yeah.
job. We love it.
We love it.
We also love it, and there are few other people in India, outside India. We all love mathematics.
We all love mathematics.
So that's the thing. Anyway, so all the best to all of you.
Yeah, all
and
the best to all of you. RMO is coming. Give it your best, and yeah, let us know how you like how RMO has gone for you. And yeah, so if you have any mathematics doubts, you can tell us. You can join us, and we can do and love mathematics more
together.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye. Take care. Yeah. And share this one if you really found it useful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's that too.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.